Alrighty, pretty nice morning for it. The plan for today is just to do a few longline sets. I don't have much bait, I've just got a little bit of a trevally frame with some belly straps and wings on it, so we'll probably get like 2 sets out of that. So we're just gonna chuck the longline in, and then while that's doing its thing, I'll just drift around with some jigs and we'll see what happens. Alrighty, just chucked in the first set. There's the first set, just got 1 fish, but definitely not complaining. With the snapper coming in on 48 centimetres, so that's pretty solid. I wasn't expecting that, I was sort of thinking I was getting some kahawai and gurnard, but just chucked out the second set and just drifting around with me Kabura jig out. Didn't have much luck the last time with the jigging, but something to do, you know. Just picking up my next set now. Alright, there we go guys, just got this one on the second set, not quite as big as the first one. I think this one's like, I don't know, 42 centimetres, so pretty solid morning, got a few nice snapper.